Hello friends, in this video we start with our second part of unit 2. In this video we will learn break and continuous break statement in PHP. PHP break statement breaks the execution of the current while loop, for loop, do while loop, switch case, and for each loop. If you use a break inside an inner loop, it breaks the execution of the inner loop only. The break keyword immediately ends the execution of the loop or switch structure. It breaks the current flow of the program at the specified condition, and program control resumes at the next statement outside the loop. The break statement only breaks the execution of the current flow, not the entire program. Now we will see the example on the break statement. I will first start the Apache server, then go to the Sublime text, the example on break statement. Inside of PHP structure, I will declare one variable as $n is equals to 1, and inside the for loop $n is equals to 1. Next, the condition is $n is less than equals to 10, and $n plus plus. Inside the for loop, I will give the if condition that if $n is equals to 5, then it has to break. Now save it and execute. Here we have to print, so it will inside the double quote $n, and come to the next line I will give the break. Now save it. Here you can see when the n value becomes the 5, it stops the execution. Now we will check the flowchart of a break statement. Here you can see if the condition within the loop is false, then it again execute the code, and again it will check the condition. If that condition is true, then it breaks the statement. Means in our example, if we are printing the values from 1 to 10, but inside of for loop I have given a condition as if the value of n is equals to 5. If it is true, then it has to break. Otherwise, if it is false, then it has to go on printing that number. Next is continue statement. The PHP continue statement is used to continue the loop. It continues the current flow of program and skips the remaining code at the specific condition. The continue statement is used within the looping and switch control structure when you immediately jump to the next iteration. The continue statement can be used with all type of loops such as for loop, while loop, do while loop, and for each loop. The continue statement allows the user to skip the execution of the code for the specific condition. Now we'll see the example on this. Now we will see the example on continuous statement. Inside the PHP structure, I will declare one variable as $a is equals to 1, and I will use the for loop. $a is equals to 1, $a is greater than and equals to 10, $a plus plus, and here I will print echo the $a value I will give the break, and if condition, if dollar a is equals to 8, then continue. We have to write this echo statement after the if condition check. I will remove this. Here in this for loop, the if we remove this, then it will print from the number 1 to 10, but we're learning the continuous statement. It stops the execution at the condition, at the given condition, means it will print from 1 to 7 and skips the this condition, means when the variable's value is equals to 8, it will stop its execution and again continue with other condition of for loop, means it will print from number 1 to 7, it skips the 8 and again start the execution from 9. Now save this file and execute. Here you can see it printing from 1 to 7, 8 is skip and again start the execution 9, 10. Now we will see the flow chart of it. Here you can see the condition within the loop, means in our example this is a for loop. If the that loop is false, then directly it ends the execution, and if the loop condition is true, then it will go to check the if condition that has our continuous statement. If that continuous statement is true, then without any doing any action, it goes to next our looping statement to check the next looping condition. If that condition continuous statement is false, then it take the action, otherwise it is, if it is true, then it will go to check the next condition within the loop. Here is a one more example on continuous statement. Here you can see I have declared two loops, one outer loop and inner loop. For I is equals to 1 and I is less than equals to 3 and I plus plus. This is our outer loop, and the inner loop has j is equals to 1, j is less than equals to 3 and j plus plus. If here you can see the not operator, $I is equals to $j continue, and we are printing the echo $I $j and break. It is the homework for you. You can execute this code or you can think, and now we will move to the next topic, that is working with the strings. PHP string is a sequence of character used to store and manipulate the text. There are two ways to specify a string literal in PHP, the single quotes and double quotes. We can declare a string in double quotes as well as the single quotes. Here is a small example. The $str, this is the variable that stores this string value hello text within the single quote. When we print it, we will get the output as hello text within the single quote. Here is one more example of string but in double quotes. Here you can see the str, it's a variable name, and it holds the value as hello text within a double quote. The backslash is used to print this double quote, and when we print the string, we will get the output as hello text within the double quotes and this symbol as well.